The EU is a key source of funding for transport research and innovation. More than €4.1 billion were made available under the 7th Framework Programme for Research and Technological Development, which ran from 2007 to 2013. And around €6.3 billion will be made available under the next 7-year funding period, Horizon 2020. The EU recognises that it is especially important to overcome current barriers to the deployment of new technologies, such as high development costs and the difficulties of replacing established technologies. It has introduced a wide range of policy instruments and initiatives, including the current Transport Research and Innovation Programme, Horizon 2020. To encourage the market uptake of innovation in transport. Providing financial incentives and raising awareness has already helped speed up the introduction of smart traffic management systems. A good example is the European Rail Traffic Management System, ERTMS, which is enhancing interoperability and thus reducing the cost of infrastructure management. In addition, initiatives such as the European Green Vehicles Initiative, EGVI, are funding research, development and innovation in sustainable mobility, and in this way also supporting innovation in green vehicles and mobility systems. The EU is moreover focusing on building up an effective multimodal infrastructure that has a limited impact on the environment. This is supported by the Connecting Europe Facility, CEF, which among other things is supporting the deployment of innovative transport management systems and infrastructure for the delivery of alternative fuels. In order to identify areas for further development, the Commission is bringing together industrial players, public authorities and end users to encourage them to develop research and innovation roadmaps, as well as identifying barriers to deployment. All stakeholders have a strong role to play in this process. Horizon 2020 will foster joint undertakings to facilitate public-private partnerships in technologies of strategic importance to economic growth in Europe. For example, in aeronautics and air transport with the Clean Sky and CESAR initiatives, in rail with the Shift to Rail programme, the Fuel Cell and Hydrogen Joint Undertaking, which develops hydrogen-based transport solutions, and also with the EGVI mentioned earlier.